If I've forgotten to include something, so let's say I've found a foreign bank account that I forgot to mention or something that I've left off my tax, what do I do?
So it
Asking for a
depends on
friend.
it depends really on what was left off.
Yep.
If it is basic things, then yes, you can amend via normal means with an accountant. But in certain situations, depending on what's been left off, you might want to look at some of the amnesty programs that the IRS has, because there are certain forms where if you miss them or don't complete them properly that have quite punitive fines, where simply amending them doesn't guarantee you won't get fined. Whereas if you go through these amnesty programs, you have a layer of protection that will hopefully shield you from these penalties and fines, so long as the mistake wasn't, willful.
Got it. So if you've genuinely made a mistake and you've been filing, and this counts for your FBAR, and I want to ask you about that. It counts for FBAR and your taxes. It's always worth being, as you said, proactive about making a change. So to break it down, there's the tax, which you can potentially go back to an accountant or a professional and have that repaired. What about the FBAR? If I've made a mistake on one of my FBARs or I've left something off?
Yep. So an FBAR, that's something you can amend as well. The FBAR has a statute of limitations of 6 years, unlike your tax return that has 3. So you can either amend your FBAR yourself or use an accountant. It's easy enough to do yourself, but again, depending on what was left off and things like that, might be something you want to use an accountant for.
Got it. But again, it can be something that's amended, and the best thing you can do is to tell a professional and get it fixed. Don't wait for the IRS to find out, because that will hurt.
Exactly, yes.